Hello, Greyhound Nation, and welcome to the Causes of the American Revolution unit. This is a precursor to the American Revolution. The American Revolution is one of the most important wars in American history because we broke away from Great Britain and the King George III, the tyrant. We didn't just wake up out of bed one morning and decide to fight the king and this massive military that England had and break away from the most powerful empire in the world. It took time. It took lots of causes. Historians have put these into about 9 causes of the American Revolution, and that's what this presentation is about. I'm going to walk you through the steps on what you're going to be doing. First, you'll start with the Google Slides. Here I have labeled Chapter 5, Colonial Unrest. There's a 4-minute introduction video from this guy named Mr. Betts, and he's a satiricalist. And what that means is he satires like popular songs, and he's going to sing to you the causes of the American Revolution. Enjoy. No notes needed here. Next, you are going to be getting this paper you see on the screen. It's called the Colonial Unrest Matrix. You are only going to be focusing on the first 2 empty columns. Which is labeled the date and 3 to 4 facts about that particular event. Do not worry about the last column. You'll do that, but not till the end of this presentation. Throughout the presentation, you will see causes. The first one is the Proclamation Line of 1763, and then you'll read a little bit about it. There's a small blurb, followed by a video. And this is how every cause is laid out. So you'll first read the blurb, look at the image, and then you'll listen to a short video. These videos are under 3 to 4 minutes. Some of them are about 60 seconds. Then you'll write a little information, 3 to 4 facts about that event. Okay, you can bullet point these if that works for you. You can put it in a complete sentence. It doesn't matter. All right. You also need to make sure you're putting the date for each one of those. Obviously, the Proclamation Line of 1763 is within the law. It's in the name there. So you're going to do that for each one, from the Quartering Act, video, Stamp Act, video. You see how it works. Now, when you get down to the very end, you are then going to rank the causes. Now, this is an opinion point. This is not, there's no right or wrong answer here. And so in the final column, once you have completed all these tasks, you are going to rank them 1 through 10, 10 being the least important, 1 being the number 1 and most important. I would start with number 1, the most important, and then kind of work my way down, but it's completely up to you how you'd like to do that. So it's kind of 2 parts. Part 1, you're ranking it 1 through 10, and then you're going to give me a complete sentence about why you ranked it. Why is it the most important? Why is it the least important? Finally, you are going to look at your number 1 most important cause, and you are going to click on this link. This link is using the same software I'm using called Screencastify, and it's going to record your face and voice. You have 30 seconds to tell me why you ranked the number 1 cause of the American Revolution, and then you'll submit it. And then we'll all be able to watch that, your classmates, including me. Ladies and gentlemen, I will be facilitating this lesson throughout today. So if you have any questions, please raise your hand and I'll be right over to help you out. Greyhounds, good luck. I think you'll enjoy this.